Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install and set up an automatic backup for 2 VPSs via LAN using Duplicati on Ubuntu 22.04. Before starting, you need to prepare 2 VPSs. Server A, the source VPS, where Duplicati will back up data from. Server B, the destination VPS, where Duplicati will store the backup. Both servers are connected to the same LAN, or private network. Now, on the destination VPS, Server B, create a dedicated user and folder. Next, ensure OpenSSH server is installed and running. Then, create an SSH key on the source VPS, Server A, and copy it to the destination VPS, Server B. Continue on the destination VPS, Server B, log in as the user you created, and run the following command. Then, check the login from the source VPS, Server A. If you can log in without a password, you're successful. First, navigate to the TMP directory. Install the mono dependency package. Next, run the following command to download the Duplicati installation package. Continue to install the Duplicati package. Then, open the default Duplicati configuration file. Continue to change the default value to the following content. After that, save and close the file. Now, allow port 8200 through uncomplicated firewall and reload the new firewall changes. Then, start Duplicati and enable the service to start at boot. Duplicati runs a web interface on port 8200 by default. Now, open the browser and go to the following URL. You will be asked for a password before logging in. The password was configured in step 2. Next, select Add Backup. Configure a new backup. Click on Next. Continue to fill in the following information. Then, click Test Connection. You can select the folder you want to back up. And you can set up a calendar, daily, weekly, and a retention policy. Save, and you can click Run now to try it immediately. After the job runs, log on to the destination VPS, Server B, and run the following commands. You'll see the following backup files, indicating the backup is successful.